Hello and welcome to Know Exactly Where. In this clip, we're going to learn how to create projects. To get started, we log in with the user we already used in previous videos, and we go to the Projects menu. Here, we're going to see all the projects that we have created listed. In this case, there's nothing listed because we have nothing created. And the first thing, the simpler way to create a standalone project, that is a project that does not depend or is not based on a template, we go here to the Create Project button. We press it and we give the project a name. We're going to say test project in this case. So we create this project and then we proceed in the very same way we showed already in the project templates training, how to create task groups, how to create tasks, predecessors, and roles. So that works exactly in the same way. So here, just for the purpose of showing it, I'm going to call this phase one. Very quickly, I don't want to spend too much time on something where we showed in previous trainings, but basically we're going to create task one, task two, and task three with a multiple task creation button. Then we move to step number two. So we create predecessors. Let's say that task two depends on one and task three depends on two. And finally, we're going to create role one and role two. We're going to give a different color to it. Okay. So now we can assign role one to tasks one and two, and role two to tasks two and three. And then we click done. And that's it. We have created our project right now. And we're moved, or we see this dashboard page. This is a dashboard page for the project while we're creating it, before we have a project plan created. So that's where we're going to end our definition of the project. And we're going to see that in future videos. This is how you would create a standalone project. If you want to create a project based on a template, what we do is to go back to the project templates page that we saw in previous videos. And we press, here we have the logo design template. You will remember this from the project templates training module. So we get to this template, we press the plus button on the right, and here we just give it a name. So we're going to say this is going to be the logo creation for Acme. That's our client. So we create the project, and then we're moved exactly to the same dashboard page. This is the same dashboard page, but if we go to the project definition, we will see that we inherited all the tasks, we inherited all the predecessors, and we inherited all the roles as well, and which role does what task. So that's exactly what we brought from the template. Now, if we make changes to this, we're actually going to make changes to this in the next clips. Those changes only affect the project that we created. They do not affect the template in which they were based. So that's it for this clip. We're going to be continuing creating this project in the next clips.